That is the letter of the resolution here. The actual cost of this was immense. Nothing could have been bigger. I mean, we spent the whole first section of this episode talking about how
how'd you come out of that way?
Microsoft was so powerful, had never been.
Takes his eyes off the screen and sneaks a glance at Google chairman Eric Schmidt and the leader of Google Brain, Jeff Dean. They're watching the monitor with unreadable expressions. The fact that both men flew all the way to Seoul for this proves just how important Google is taking this match. Creating an AI that can beat Go is one of the holy grails of AI research, and Facebook is nipping at Google's heels. Google is clearly ahead with an AI. It's early December 2022 in Mountain View, California. Sundar Pichai strides into a conference room full of executives at Google headquarters and flops into a chair at the head of the table.
Whoa.
I don't think I need
damn.
to belabor this point, but
All right.
ChatGPT is an existential threat to our core business.